Africa is entering a new economic era, and the biggest opportunities are unfolding faster than ever. In today's video, we break down the top 5 industries that will mint millionaires in Africa by 2030. If you're an entrepreneur, investor, or future mogul, this is your roadmap. Number 1. Agriculture and agri-processing. Agriculture remains Africa's largest economic engine. But the real money is no longer in farming. It's in processing. Turning maize into meal, tomatoes into paste, cassava into flour, soy into animal feed. Why it's a gold mine. 1.4 billion people need food daily. Governments pushing for local manufacturing, massive gaps in packaging, transport, and cold chain. Opportunity example, maize milling, rice processing, poultry feed mills. Fruit drying and packaging, small factories are turning ordinary entrepreneurs into industry leaders. Number 2. Mining and industrial equipment, with Africa's mining sector expanding gold, lithium, copper, manganese, coal. The biggest profits lie not only in mining, but in supplying equipment, spares, and maintenance services. Why? It's exploding. Mining companies depend on constant supply of machinery parts, high margins, 20 to 60% per deal. Growing demand due to energy transition metals. You don't need to own a mine. Supplying the tools is often more profitable. Number 3. Logistics and cross-border trade. Africa opens up under the AfCFTA agreement. Cross-border trade is becoming one of the biggest wealth creators. High-growth areas: customs clearing, packaging supply, transport brokerage, import-export. Consulting last-mile delivery. A single truckload from South Africa to Zimbabwe can generate thousands in profit. Number 4. Renewable energy. Africa loses billions yearly due to unstable power. Solar and battery solutions are no longer luxuries. They are survival tools. Opportunities: selling solar kits, microgrid solutions, battery distribution. Solar water pumps, off-grid refrigeration. This is one of the fastest growing sectors on the continent. Number 5. Digital services and content. AI animation, mobile apps. Freelancers at work. You don't need land or equipment to win big. You need skills and a laptop. Africa's digital economy will be worth over $1 trillion by 2030, where the money is YouTube channels, TikTok automation, online consulting, digital marketing, AI tools for businesses. This is why Africa Business Frontier exists, to guide you. Call to action if you want to build wealth in Africa. Start here. Talk out below which industry you want us to break down next, and we'll create a full guide.